Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create group chat in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you have opened your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to click on the pencil-like icon and choose the group chat option, and then simply type in the name of the people you want to add in your group chat or simply select them. Then hit the create button and your group chat on Messenger will be created. So following this way, you can select and make different kinds of group chats for your different purposes and enjoy chatting in groups rather than single or individual people. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.